Hi guys, hope you guys are doing well. So today I'm gonna teach you how to make these rose flowers. So if you're looking for a small rose flower to add a new bouquet, you can use this type. So I was looking for like a 5mm 6mm type of paper strips at the store, but I couldn't find, so I bought this paper and I cut out paper of this length. So we are gonna use this one to make our flower. So for this flower we are gonna use this paper, scissors to cut the wire and the green tape. Like if you feel like the petals are coming off, the paper is coming off, you guys can glue it with the glue. So keep the paper away from your face like this, and then fold it to the right end, and then take your paper like this and fold it downwards. And once you get this point, you have to fold this one end to the middle here, and then you are gonna rotate the paper, I mean like around the ends, the left end to the right end. We are gonna do it like this. Once it gets like the midway or like the end, you're gonna keep the paper like this again, and then you are gonna fold it like this. So once the long paper end has met the inner side, you're gonna fold it like this again, and then once it meets again, you're gonna fold it like this once again. We are gonna fold this again and again, repeat the process to make the shape of the flower, and try to secure the inner end of the flower with your thumbs. Try to secure it with your fingers. Yeah, once it meets the inner side, fold it. Repeat the process. So once the end is at the same length as our first end, take both ends and then twist it. Now we have our flower here. So we are gonna take our metal wire here and then tie it to the end of our flower. I'm gonna use a green tape here. You guys can make a knot with your thread and then tape it to make it more secure, but I'm gonna spray it for the green tape. If you're using the green tape first, make sure that you're tightening it. And then tape it till the end of your wire. And then we are gonna join the rest of our flowers. Take the flower and then there we go. So now we have our cute little roses here. I hope you guys like this. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.